In this video, I will be showing you how to design soap label in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the search bar on the Canva home screen and type in soap label to see the available templates. I'll scroll through the results to find a layout that works for my product. There are many styles to choose from, but I'm looking for something clean and circular. I've found a minimalist lemon label that I like, so I'll click on it and select Customize this template to open the editor. Once the design loads, I'll start by updating the text. I want to create a lavender-scented soap, so I'll double-click the top text and change lemon to lavender. Now I need to replace the lemon illustration. I'll go to the Elements tab on the left and search for lavender. I'll browse through the graphics until I find a floral bouquet that fits the style. I'll click to add it to the canvas, delete the original lemon icon, and then resize and center the new lavender graphic. To match the new scent, I'll click on the background and open the color palette. I'll select a soft purple shade to give the label a fresh floral look. I'll take a quick moment to ensure all the text and elements are perfectly aligned. Finally, I'll click the Share button in the top right corner, select Download, and save my finished design as a high-quality PNG. Now your custom soap label is ready to be printed and applied to your handmade products.